We divide 474 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 4 and it is 24. So 3 times 8 is 24. On subtracting, we get 0. So 474 divided by 3 is 158. So this much for today and thanks for watching.